In the quiet hum of a bustling city, we find ourselves at dawn's first light. The sky is still tinged with an ethereal blue as technology begins its dance across the skyline. From towering skyscrapers to narrow alleyways, it's clear that today marks something new and different. Today, the digital pulse feels stronger than ever before. We stand on a bridge overlooking this metropolis, where the lines between nature and industry blur into a seamless blend of greenery and metallic structures. In the distance, you can hear the soft chime of automated delivery drones as they navigate their routes with precision and speed. The hum of electric vehicles fills the air, punctuated by occasional bursts from construction sites still working through early morning hours. As we step closer to this city's heart, a group of individuals are already awake workers at a nearby AI research facility. Their faces reflect both excitement and curiosity as they gaze out onto the bustling streets below. One engineer, with a warm smile, shares his thoughts. Every day here is like stepping into tomorrow. Inside one lab, we see rows upon rows of sleek computers and monitors flickering to life, their screens displaying complex algorithms in vibrant colors. Scientists are engrossed in these digital landscapes, manipulating data that could change the course of human history. Just a few steps away lies another lab where robots move with an almost eerie precision. They work alongside humans on tasks ranging from mundane assembly line jobs to delicate surgeries. Each robot seems more lifelike than the last, their eyes actually cameras staring back at us with an unsettling clarity that hints at something beyond mere machinery. As we walk further into this futuristic landscape, it becomes evident that technology has already begun to reshape our world in ways both subtle and profound. Yet what exactly does all of this mean for humanity? Are these machines truly becoming extensions of ourselves, or are they poised to replace us entirely? The air is thick with anticipation as the sun begins its ascent over the city. In the heart of Silicon Valley, under vast skies dotted with balloons from Google's Project Loon, lies a narrative that's as captivating as it is complex. This is a world where silicon chips whisper secrets to circuit boards, and artificial intelligence, AI, no longer just assists but begins to question its own existence. We find ourselves at the dawn of an era when technology has advanced so rapidly that our very jobs, our roles in society, are being rewritten. Imagine standing on the edge of a precipice, looking out into the future where machines are not merely tools, but companions and competitors alike. It's here that we begin to ask, will robots replace us? The question is both daunting and exhilarating, like stepping onto an uncharted island with no map in sight. But first, let's take a moment to understand how we got here. The journey began decades ago when computers were bulky machines filled with whirring gears and blinking lights. Today, they are sleek devices that fit comfortably into our pockets and homes, seamlessly integrating into every facet of daily life. The evolution from simple calculators to advanced artificial intelligence is nothing short of miraculous. AI can now perform tasks once thought impossible, like diagnosing diseases, driving cars, or even creating art. But as remarkable as these advancements are, they come with a profound challenge. Are we ready for the future that's unfolding before our eyes? The answer depends on how we view technology and its role in society. Some see it as an extension of ourselves, tools to enhance human capabilities. Others fear it could lead to a world where machines take over everything. In this narrative, we explore both perspectives, the optimistic view that sees AI as a partner in progress, and the more cautionary one that warns of the risks involved if we are not careful about how we integrate technology into our lives. We'll delve deep into the complexities by examining real-world examples and expert opinions to build a clearer picture. Firstly, let's consider what it means for robots to in the vast landscape of our future. A question looms large over humanity: will robots replace us? It's a scenario that has stirred both excitement and apprehension. As we gaze into this uncertain horizon, it's impossible not to feel a mix of anticipation and awe at what lies ahead. The journey to understanding this phenomenon begins with the humble origins of artificial intelligence, AI. AI started as nothing more than abstract theories and complex mathematical equations scribbled on dusty chalkboards in academic institutions. But now, these theories have blossomed into something far beyond anyone's wildest dreams: machines that can learn, adapt, and even think for themselves. The first steps toward modern robotics were taken In the mid-20th century, when scientists began to explore how machines could mimic human actions. Early robots like Unimate, the first industrial robot, demonstrated basic repetitive tasks with a mechanical arm. Fast forward through decades of rapid technological advancements, and we find ourselves at a crossroads where AI has evolved far beyond mere automation. Today's AI systems can perform complex operations that were once thought impossible. For machines, they learn from vast amounts of data, make predictions, solve intricate problems, and even engage in creative tasks like writing poetry or composing music. These abilities are not just impressive, they're transforming industries as we know them. Take the healthcare sector, where AI is revolutionizing diagnostics by analyzing medical images faster than any human could ever do alone. In finance, algorithms can predict market trends with uncanny accuracy, offering insights that were previously unattainable. And in manufacturing, robots are not just replacing manual labor but also enhancing precision and efficiency. However, as these technologies continue to advance, they pose profound questions about the future of work. Will there be a day when robots take over jobs from humans? This isn't just theoretical, it's happening now. Companies like Amazon have already begun deploying thousands of robotic workers in their warehouses, streamlining operations with speed and reliability that surpass human capabilities. As we stand on the threshold of a new era, one question looms large in our collective consciousness. Will robots replace us? This is not just an existential query, it's a profound exploration into the future of humanity itself. Imagine standing before a bustling cityscape where the sounds of technology echo through every corner. Drones whiz by like bees from a hive, and sleek autonomous vehicles navigate traffic with precision. These aren't mere novelties anymore but integral parts of our daily lives, hinting at what's to come. In this landscape, it's easy to see how robots and artificial intelligence, AI, have already begun their integration into society. The story begins in the 1950s when Isaac Asimov first penned his famous 3 laws of robotics. These laws were designed to ensure that robots would always act in harmony with human life. Fast forward a century, and we find ourselves in an age where AI has surpassed even the wildest dreams of science fiction authors. Machines now not only follow rules but also learn from them, adapting and evolving at an unprecedented pace. One cannot discuss this topic without acknowledging the advancements made by companies like Tesla, Google's DeepMind, and IBM's Watson. These entities are pushing boundaries in robotics and AI development, making breakthroughs that seem almost magical to those unfamiliar with their inner workings. From self-driving cars to personalized health assistants, these innovations have transformed our world. But it's not just about convenience or efficiency, the impact extends far beyond daily life. In medicine, robots can perform surgeries with unparalleled precision, reducing recovery times and improving patient outcomes. In manufacturing, autonomous systems enhance productivity while maintaining safety standards that would be impossible for human workers to achieve consistently. Even in space exploration, where the risks are high and resources limited, AI-driven rovers have revolutionized our understanding of distant planets. However, as these technologies advance, so too do concerns about their implications on employment and society at large. The fear is not UNF. In the heart of this burgeoning era, where technology dances with ambition like never before, we find ourselves at a crossroads. The question looms large in our collective consciousness: will robots replace us? This isn't just about machines becoming smarter, it's about how they are already reshaping every aspect of human life. Imagine for a moment that you're stepping into the future. Picture bustling cityscapes where automated vehicles zip past, their sleek forms almost too futuristic to be real. In warehouses and factories, robots move with an efficiency unmatched by human hands. They assemble products, lift heavy loads, and operate machinery without even breaking a sweat. This is just the beginning. In healthcare, AI-driven assistants are becoming indispensable partners in diagnosis and treatment. These machines can analyze vast amounts of medical data faster than any human could ever hope to. They identify patterns that lead doctors to make more accurate predictions about patient outcomes. It's not just about saving time, it's about saving lives. And as technology advances, these systems will only become smarter and more reliable. The education sector is undergoing a profound transformation too. Virtual tutors can adapt their teaching methods in real time based on how students are learning. They tailor lessons to the individual needs of each student, ensuring that no one gets left behind. This personalization isn't just about making classes more engaging, it's about providing an equitable educational experience for everyone. But as these advancements take hold, a new question emerges: what does this mean for jobs and employment? The shift towards automation is inevitable, but its impact will vary widely across different industries. In some sectors, like manufacturing or data entry, the transition may be swift and direct. Robots are already replacing human workers in many of these roles. However, other professions might see a more gradual change. Consider customer service as an example. Chatbots and virtual assistants can handle common inquiries around the clock without needing breaks. They provide instant responses with consistency that humans often find hard to match. While this may as the sun sets over a world where artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our lives, it's hard not to wonder about the future. Will robots replace us? Or will they become partners in our journey forward? In this documentary, we explored how machines are learning and evolving at breakneck speed, surpassing human capabilities in areas like processing power and data analysis. But there is something uniquely human that cannot be replicated by a machine: creativity, empathy, the ability to feel joy or sorrow. Yet as technology continues to advance, it's clear that our roles will change. We might not become obsolete; instead, we could evolve into more skilled and efficient versions of ourselves. Imagine a world where doctors can diagnose illnesses faster than ever before thanks to AI assistance. Or imagine engineers working alongside robots, pushing the boundaries of innovation. The future is uncertain, but one thing is certain: our relationship with technology will only grow stronger. As these machines become increasingly sophisticated, they'll help us tackle some of humanity's biggest challenges: climate change, disease eradication, and poverty alleviation. In doing so, we might find ourselves at a pivotal point in history, where the line between human and machine becomes blurred. This isn't just about technology, it's also about our collective future. As we stand on the brink of this new era, there are countless questions that need answering. How do we ensure ethical use of AI? What happens to jobs lost due to automation? And most importantly, how can we maintain a balance between technological advancement and human values? The answers aren't simple or clear-cut. They require us to think deeply about our place in the world and what kind of society we want to create. Will robots replace us entirely? Or will they enhance our lives by doing tasks that are better suited for machines, freeing up time and energy for more meaningful pursuits? As the stars begin to twinkle above a world transformed by technology, it's easy to feel both anxious about the unknown and the future isn't coming, it's being built. Subscribe to stay ahead.